If your life feels like a maze, don't worry, you're not alone. Faith is taking the first step, even when you don't see the whole staircase. Martin Luther King Jr. Imagine standing at the bottom of a staircase, shrouded in fog. You can't see where it leads. Scary, right? But here's the thing, you don't need to see the whole staircase to take the first step. Faith is about trusting the journey, even when it's unclear. It's about having the courage to move forward, despite the unknown. Every great achievement starts with that single, brave step. So, don't wait for the fog to clear. Take that step. Trust in yourself and in the path that will unfold. Remember, even when you can't see where you're going, faith will guide you. Be bold, be brave. Take the first step today. Because sometimes, all it takes is faith.